Meaning of divided highway.
Divided highway.
Divided highway.
Divided highway.
Divided highway. A divided highway is a type of road that features a median or barrier separating traffic going in opposite directions. This design provides additional safety for drivers by reducing the likelihood of head-on collisions. Divided highways are typically found in high-traffic areas, such as near cities, and often have multiple lanes in each direction. They may also have exit and entrance ramps exclusively for use by motorists traveling in one direction. Overall, divided highways are intended to improve traffic flow and safety for drivers.